Today we're making a delicious beef and broccoli stir-fry. This dish is a staple in many Asian cuisines and is known for its savory flavors and quick preparation. Let's dive into its origin and history and story of the dish. Beef and broccoli is a classic Chinese-American stir-fry dish that combines tender slices of beef with crisp broccoli florets, coated in a savory soy-based sauce. It's a quick, flavorful and nutritious meal that's perfect for weeknights. Origin: beef and broccoli is a dish inspired by Chinese cuisine but developed primarily in the United States as part of Chinese-American culinary traditions. It draws from the techniques of Chinese stir-frying and dishes like gailan, Chinese broccoli with beef, which is a Cantonese classic. However, instead of using Chinese broccoli, gailan, the Americanized version substitutes it with Western broccoli, which is more common in the US. Brief history. The dish likely emerged in the mid-20th century when Chinese immigrants adapted their recipes to incorporate locally available ingredients. Broccoli, introduced to the US by Italian immigrants in the early 20th century, was widely cultivated and became a readily available vegetable. By pairing broccoli with beef and a soy-based sauce, Chinese-American chefs created a dish that appealed to Western palates while retaining the essence of Chinese cooking. The savory sauce, typically made with soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic and ginger, complements the tender beef and fresh broccoli, resulting in a balanced, flavorful dish. Its simplicity and deliciousness made it a favorite in Chinese-American restaurants and later in home kitchens. Story of the dish beef and broccoli is more than just a recipe. It represents the fusion of two culinary worlds. For many, it serves as an introduction to Chinese-inspired flavors with its savory, slightly sweet and umami-packed sauce. The combination of tender beef and vibrant green broccoli creates a visually appealing and nutrient-rich dish. Its popularity stems from its versatility. It can be served with steamed rice, noodles, or even as a standalone low-carb meal. Over time, it has become a staple for weeknight dinners, takeout menus, and even meal prep routines. For many families, beef and broccoli is a comforting reminder of how simple ingredients can come together to create a dish that is both nourishing and satisfying. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound of flank steak thinly sliced against the grain, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of beef broth or water, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 to 4 cups of broccoli florets, 2 cloves of garlic minced and 1 teaspoon of ginger minced. And the following tools: a large skillet or wok, mixing bowls, a whisk, a cutting board and knife, measuring cups and spoons, and tongs or a spatula. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, cornstarch and vegetable oil. Add the sliced beef and toss to coat. Let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. In another bowl, whisk together soy sauce, oyster sauce, beef broth, brown sugar, sesame oil and cornstarch. Set aside. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add broccoli florets and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Drain and set aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the marinated beef and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until browned. Remove and set aside. Add the remaining oil to the skillet. Sauté garlic and ginger for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the cooked broccoli and beef back to the skillet. Pour the sauce over the mixture and toss well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats everything evenly. Serve hot over steamed rice or noodles. For variations, you can add bell peppers, carrots, or snap peas. You can also swap beef with chicken, shrimp, or tofu. For extra heat, add chili paste or red pepper flakes. Enjoy your meal. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a great day ahead.